Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to see new posts on Facebook. Here are the simple steps to see new posts on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app by tapping the blue Facebook icon on your home screen. Log into your account. If needed, enter your email or phone and password. Go to the Home tab. Tap the Home icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Refresh the feed manually. Swipe down on the screen until you see a loading circle. This loads new posts. Set your feed to most recent. Tap the menu. Then tap Feeds. Select most recent to see newest post first, if there's any. Check all feed. Facebook often shows top posts. New posts may appear. Refresh the Feeds tab. Go to Menu, Feeds, then tap on it. Swipe down to refresh. Check Stories for newest updates. Stories at the top show the latest activity from friends. Turn off a slow internet connection. New posts won't load if your network is weak. Switch to Wi Fi or mobile data. Clear the Facebook app's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Facebook, Storage, and Clear Cache. Update the Facebook app. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for Facebook. Tap Update if available. Enable app notifications. Go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Facebook, Notifications, then turn on. This helps you know when new posts appear. Lastly, use the follow settings. Go to a friend's profile, then tap Friends. Choose Favorites or Default to ensure you see their new posts. Restart the app, close Facebook completely, and reopen it to refresh the feed system. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.